It's just nice to be here, really. Whether I'd sort of be nominated or not, it's something that I always try and sort of make sure I can make it for, to come here and just, you know, hang out.
That's good. It's vibrant, you know, and I think we can do with that in these times.
I'm feeling excited, not particularly confident, but delighted to be here.
I think it's important to put on an event that shows that we have Indigenous talent, and then people can say, oh my goodness, that's right, that person's Irish. This is an Irish production.
Well, there's such a great tradition of drama and writing and theatre here, so I just feel like it's a natural to come here for it.
Stories are very important, and certainly Ireland has told some of the great stories of all time. So that part of it, I think, is why we're here.
I think we have a lot more stars now, you know, a lot more directors who have the potential to get into, you know, the Oscars and Golden Globes, and I think we've come of age, kind of.
It's wonderful to celebrate that we have a bit of an industry, you know, for the size, and we've punched way above our weight.
We've got a good sort of lineage, so you know, I think it would be nice to see more films being made here. That's for sure.
I think we need to keep the standards up, and I think this is one way of making that happen, you know.
I think we're getting better all the time.